Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your M-Audio Oxygen 49 in FL Studio. First, let's get your keyboard connected. Take the provided USB cable and plug one end into the USB port on your Oxygen 49. Then, connect the other end to a free USB port on your computer. This single cable handles both power and MIDI data. If you are using a USB hub, make sure it has an external power supply to ensure reliable performance. Next, we will configure FL Studio to recognize your M-Audio Oxygen 49. Launch FL Studio and go to the Options menu, then click on MIDI Settings. In the MIDI tab, under the Input section, you should see your Oxygen 49 listed. Select it, then choose Generic Controller from the Controller Type drop-down menu. Make sure to enable this input so FL Studio can receive signals from your keyboard. Now, let's assign the correct ports and activate DAW mode. Find the Midian 2 input for your Oxygen 49, which might be labeled DAW on some systems, and set its port to 0. Do the same for the Midian 2 output in the Output section, setting its port to 0 as well. Finally, press the DAW/preset button on your Oxygen keyboard. Then hold it and scroll to select the MEC1 or FLSD preset for optimal FL Studio integration. With the setup complete, it is time to test your new controller. In DAW mode, check if your transport controls, such as play, stop, and record, are working as expected. Also, move the faders and knobs on your Oxygen 49 to see if they control elements within FL Studio. For custom assignments, simply right-click on any parameter in FL Studio, select Link to Controller, and then move the desired physical control on your keyboard to map it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.